What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to copy trade using Trojan Bot on Solana. Now to do that, the process is really simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. In case you guys haven't started using this bot, I'll provide a link in the description below this video where you can go and access this bot from there. And coming back to the video, in today's video I'll show you how to copy trade using this bot. Now let's say you find a very profitable wallet, and what you guys can do is copy that wallet straight in order to earn profit with that wallet. Now for that, what we will do is simply go and click on this copy trade option right here. Once you do that, it will show you these options popping up. Now to add a wallet, simply go and click on this new option right here. And once you click it, you'll see these options popping up. Now to get a wallet's address, what we can do is head over to SoulScan. Here we can find tons of wallet which we can copy trade of any coin. For example, from here I'll simply go and copy a random wallet, and I will go back and paste that wallet's address right here. After that, simply send the message and it will update it with that wallet address. You can also give a tag to that wallet. For example, here I will simply click on this option and I can provide it a random tag. After that, make sure you look at all of these options such as buying percentage, copy cells. If you want to, you can select yes, otherwise don't select this option. Your buying gas, selling gas, slippage amount, and there are also advanced features below that. Make sure you check all of these options. After that, you can select these advanced features, and in advanced features you can see or even more options popping up. You can set these options according to your own preference. It varies from person to person. Well, that's how you can do it. After setting up these options, simply go and click on this add option and your wallet would be added to copy trade option. Well, that's how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.